Hi, I'm Melinda Chu with Venja Health. Next slide, please. This was the old deck. I'm a doctor with 12 years of clinical research experience, and my co-founder has 18 years of software experience, worked at Apple and also at Microsoft. Through my professional experience and my personal experience with my father, who was diagnosed with 3 different cancers, colon, lung, and pancreatic cancer, I identified a problem. Tracking symptoms for patients is hard. Symptoms change or fluctuate. It can be hard to identify if they're caused by the treatment or the cancer. We also know that tracking symptoms in cancer patients improves patient outcomes. It can lead to longer lives, increased quality of life, and even decreased healthcare costs like decreased ER utilization. In a recent study in 2019 for lung cancer patients, it was found that median overall survival increased by almost 50% in the intervention group. If a drug led to increased overall survival by 50%, it would be valued at over $100,000 per year. The technological solution is Health Efx, which is a healthcare platform with a mobile app which makes tracking health easy, and a platform which connects people to their doctors for real-time analysis. We are focusing on the oncology market first, but anyone can download the Health mobile app from the App Store, and there's also an integrated web platform or integration with EHR when possible. In the app, patients can monitor their medical history, medication, symptoms, or health. Voice-to-text option is utilized for easy use by the patients. On the healthcare provider side, the platform is designed to save healthcare providers time and to identify the potentially most serious cases. Analytics are built off an FDA adverse event database with millions of data points, and natural language processing is used to highlight the essential information from the patient reports. If patients consent, their information is searchable on the web platform. If there's more than one patient, providers can monitor all their patients at once. While digital health has been around for a long time, this is the perfect time to build this platform, as there's an increase in acceptance in digital health in the medical community. From a recent survey of American Medical Association of 1,359 doctors, 86% of them said that digital health provides an advantage in treating patients and improving outcomes. In the same report, it was reported that remote care monitoring was the technology that was going to have the highest likelihood of adoption in the next 3 years. Another change in the healthcare landscape is insurance coverage and pay for remote monitoring of symptoms and medication adherence. We are focusing on the oncology market, and unfortunately, there are more than 1.7 million cases in the US per year and over 18 million cases in the world per year. While any patient will benefit from this platform, other conditions that we are targeting are those that are chronic condition with symptoms that change, or that conditions that have treatments with notable side effects. This platform sits at the convergence of 3 growing markets worth billions of dollars: the mobile health app market, health tracker market, and real-world evidence. We just started working on this in October, and since then I started designing the prototype and also identified a site for the pilot study. Our go-to-market strategy is to partner with healthcare providers and professional medical associations to identify large patients that will benefit from the platform. We also will utilize marketing to reach out to patients. In terms of the roadmap, we will have the MVP finished in spring 2022 and plan to start the pilot study in fall 2022. The initial business model is a freemium model for the app. We plan to obtain insurance and employer health plan coverage in the future. User growth is expected to grow 30% month over month. For the revenue projections for the next 3 years, the first 18 months is based off the freemium model. After obtaining insurance coverage, even with a very low percentage of users with insurance coverage, in year 2, we expect revenue to be more than $720,000, and in year 3, more than $2 million of revenue. There are a few symptom trackers on the market. They have no voice-to-text option. They're largely for personal use, and most do not connect with healthcare providers.